How do you remove photos on your Google listing, especially the ones that's uploaded by user, not you? Very often, right, your clients, potential clients, or just people who don't like you, they'll upload photos onto your Google listing. And it's totally legal for anybody to be uploading photos onto your business listing. That's why here and there you gotta be monitoring your Google listing and see what users are putting onto your Google listing. So let's give you an example here. So very often what's going to happen is, let's say your Pelly heating air conditioning. Very often people are just going to check out your listing on Google. They might type in your brand name, and on the right hand side, right, they'll see critical information about your business. And very often they'll click on see photos. And what if, right, there's a few pictures you don't like this one, it has nothing to do with your business. What do you do? Right? So same thing, very, very easy, is you go on google.com/business. So google.com/business. You sign in. Okay. Once you're signed in, what you do is you go on photos, and most likely, right, you hit on by customer. These are the photos not uploaded by you. They're uploaded by users. And very often, again, it could be, I got an example where it's somebody who didn't like the way their installers were driving their trucks. So they took a picture of the truck, and obviously it's very, very damaging to the business. So that's why, right, you gotta come in here and clean it up. So what do? If it's by the owner, you can easily click on it, right, and then delete that one. It's very easy. But if it's uploaded by a customer, now it's going to be a little more tricky. Let's say this one has nothing to do with this HVAC company. It's uploaded by a customer. So what you do is, right, this one, again, shows up whenever people are looking at your Google listing, right? So what do? So a little harder to get this removed now. So what you would do is you will click on this, right? There's no way to delete it. All you can do is flag it, right? Thank you for helping Google by reporting content which may be in violation of our user contributed content policy. Now you flag it based on, right, why you think it's irrelevant here, right? So this one is not a photo or video of the place, right? And so what you do is hit this, right? And of course, you want to put in an email, okay? And then you'll flag it. You'll submit this, okay? Now Google will reach back to you, right, the email, and let you know whether it's removed or not. And very often it's totally irrelevant to the business, it will be removed. So again, I would really advise you to look at your Google listing a little more often and see what users or customers are uploading on there. And with funeral homes, I've seen photos that's uploaded by families that probably you don't want it to be live on your listing. So definitely want to get that removed.